Hey you guys, welcome back to the program. Today I hit 100 subscribers on our channel, you guys. Our community has grown to 100 people and I am super stoked about it. So didn't really have a exact mission for today's mission. Figured I'd just go over some of the stuff that I've been doing in the stock market in the last couple days. On screen you can see I've got my Google Sheets that I use to keep track of my dividends annually. Now I've got my stocks listed across the top. You notice the tickers. We have AbbVie, Archer Daniels Midland, ADP, AGNC Corp, Bank of America, Ford, Johnson & Johnson, Coke, Las Vegas Sands Corp, McDonald's, 3M, Pfizer, Procter & Gamble, AT&T, Walgreens, Walmart, and ExxonMobil. And then over here we have VGSLX, which is my REIT index in index fund form. And then my ETF VYM, which is the Vanguard High Yield Dividend ETF. Just got a couple of new ones here. The end of September, I have 2 shares of ADP. I got a $1.58 for that. That came in on the 29th of September, I think. Just yesterday, I got a Coca-Cola dividend for $5.60. Everything else is okay. But you see my total for the year. Now, granted, the biggest one is my REIT index because I've had that for a long time, and that is fairly substantial. Remember, AGNC, which I have here, is also a REIT. It does mortgage REITs, and it pays monthly. It pays towards the middle of the month, so I haven't had October yet. Make sure if you do hold REITs, you guys, make sure you hold them in a account where you're not getting taxed, because that is always ordinary dividends. They're not ever going to give you qualified dividends on those. So let's take a look at my Ally Invest account. Right now, you see I've got some D's here on my Ally, which is kind of nice. That means I've got upcoming dividends. From AbbVie, I'm going to get a dividend on November 15th. Let's see, down here at Pfizer, I have one coming on December 2nd, looks like. Some purchases I made this week in this account. I did buy 10 additional shares of Ford because it's gone down. And I also bought 5 additional shares of Pfizer. If we come over to the M1, which, remember, this is the account I just started last week, you guys. These are brand new now, but I did add some money this week. Added $100, and let's see. So I've got about 20% in McDonald's, about 20% in Walgreens, 18% each in Walmart and 3M, 14% in Archer Daniels Midland, and just 10% in the Las Vegas Sand Corporation. If we take a look here, let's bring up, these are the 3 that I keep in my Vanguard account. I have not done anything with them. Johnson & Johnson, looks like it's actually up today compared to most stocks are taking a ride down on today. This is October 2nd today, 2019. Procter & Gamble, that's almost dropping enough that I need to buy some more perhaps. All right, close that one. Anyway, just wanted to do a quick video and thank my subscribers for doing what they're doing, you guys. That is really what it's all about for me, is you guys coming together. We talk about the stuff that we have interest in, and we learn from one another. I learn from watching videos from you guys, and I hope that you learn something from watching my videos as well. I hope you keep subscribing. I hope you enjoyed this. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Keep subscribing to the channel. You keep watching. I'll keep making videos. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.